I'm going to sing you a song about a fella that wouldn't know Lourdes if he walked over it barefooted. In a mean abode on the Shankill Road lived a man named William Bloat. And he had a wife, the bane of his life, who always got his goat. And one day at dawn with her nightdress on, he slit her bloody throat. With a razor gash he settled her hash, and never was crime so quick. But the steady drip on the pillow slip of her life's blood made him sick. And the pool of gore on the bedroom floor grew clotted and cold and thick. But he was glad he had done what he had, as she lay there stiff and still, till suddenly of the angry law filled his soul with an awful chill. And to finish the fun so well begun, he decided himself to kill. Well, he took the sheet from his wife's cold feet, and he twisted it into a rope, and he hanged himself from the pantry shelf. 'Twas an easy end, let's hope. With his dying breath in the jaws of death, he solemnly cursed the Pope. But the strangest turn of the whole concern is only just beginning. He went to hell, but his wife got well, and she's still alive and sinning. For the razor blade was British made, but the rope was Belfast linen.